welcome back to the channel. You're there at Raman Livestock Animals JA. So guys, why me change the name, guys, from Raman Exotic Pets? Because a lot of people are telling me say the name hard to find on YouTube. So me change the name and see if it a go if it a go better if they find it still, but really never ask nobody still. But so today, guys, this video is gonna be about new birds when we get, guys. So um most of you follow me Instagram might see them already, but me I go show them. Me I go disinfect my YouTube video to show them. So yeah. Yes, people. So see them here. So this one right here, this black one, with the white and it pan him back mixed with a fantail pigeon. Cause you can see on in tail how in tail kind of spread out. So it mixed with the I think I don't remember what type, but you have a notch still. So it's like look like a booty foot mixed with a fantail, but I'm not really sure cause I don't really remember which one he mixed with. No mixed with fantail, but I remember which other one still. That one down there now. That one. That capuchin. This one right here, a capuchin. This one right here is a capuchin as well. And also one beside him, capuchin. That white one right there is a female booty foot. That one is a female. Is the male one. That one is a capuchin as well. So put cardboard so they can get better walking, so they don't have to walk on the mesh. Stay water here because they shit now they water people. Man, I'm looking for people, but they feeding one over there. Over there, so they nest box in here. So if someone remember the big rabbit hutch there right here, so may demolish that people and build one smaller one. Because that did rotten down people and it never so good. So me demolish it and build a bigger one, a smaller one. So currently that's a New Zealand dog over there. Those are some young bucks and a Peruvian guinea pig male one. A male Peruvian guinea pig is also in there. So people, here is a New Zealand black buck. His name is Buster. This down here is a cinnamon Flemish giant. His name is Dynasty. And this one is Flemish buck in here also is Netflix. No, he's Dynasty and the cinnamon one is Netflix. And so see one of the I call them orange dove, but you can call them tangerine dove too. But yeah, that's one of them. That one they look like a female. And the other one in here, so see him up there, so and that they wabi dove there. Don't mind watching head but because him and one other male in here always a fight. But you must have wonder why ball plate them in here, guys, cause they did it with the fancy pigeon. So fancy pigeon a fight them. Hey boy. Fancy pigeon a fight them, so I have to take them out, put them in here. So but me I go find some actually find someone to give them to because they may Barbie dove also fight them too. So me I go person supposed to come for them this evening. So me I go give him them so them can in our go by themselves. So that's the end of the video, guys. In a really long video, but until next time, people just remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a next video. Yeah, and people, don't forget get me to 100 subscribers by the end of this summer. So share the channel, people. Put it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, anything, people. Just out.